Good morning, Dave. Well, Dave, I know that it's been quite frustrating for you about the shortcodes not working, especially this one. I think this page was what you had an issue and you had messaged me that this is not working. Uh, well, initially, even I had some trouble figuring out why exactly this was not working. Well, I did some research, went ahead, fixed it. Now you see this, how it looks. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly walk you through what exactly was the issue. So, what I'm going to do right now is now let's fix this part where I believe this is for the bees. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fix for the bees. So this is where we are having the issue. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to the page, and in the page we have this here. So I'm going to go and fix this thing. Um, so I'm going to click on edit. Okay, here we go. So we have the products showing up here, and here this is how it's looking right now. So what I'm going to do is when I checked the code initially, everything was looking fine. I was not sure what was happening. So what I did was then I checked here, which where I saw this as pre. So the pre is spoiling the code. So I'm going to show you first thing is what happens when I remove the pre. Now pre is a code which is another default code and which has a styling of its own. So that was causing one of the issues. So there's nothing else here. So click on save. I'm going to update it. It's still loading. Meanwhile, I'm going to just refresh this. And I'm pretty sure the pre should fix even this one, which is not displaying properly. So come on. Okay, it's still loading. It's still loading, so I guess it might not have been fixed, but let me give it a try. Yeah, it's not yet fixed. So I'm going to refresh this page once. I know maybe whatever changes I had done, it might not be saved, so that is fine with me until I'm going to get back to the page. Okay. Okay. Now load up. I think it's almost there. So I'm going to click again on this. Okay, we go back to the text view. We still have the pre here, so I'm going to remove this, click on save. Now that is done, now click on update. Let's wait for another 30 seconds, I believe. Okay, it's gonna be refreshed, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on refresh on this page. Okay, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that the first issue about the columns or some alignment issues which are not proper, it should be fixed. And yes, you see this? This is working now. Okay, so here we go. This is working. Cool. Now let's see if there's any other thing. Yes, we have the houses which is not showing properly. So let's go back to houses here. I'm going to click on this. Houses. Okay, we don't need this here, so I'm going to remove it from here. I'm going to go to text and what is this? Sure. Control X. I'm gonna add it here. Save. It should be here. Click on update. Once this is done, I'll show you another magic which is neat and good, which I like. Probably this might help you sometime later. Okay, now let's go ahead and refresh this. So how many products do we have here? Okay, 8 products. So it should show in 2 rows, 4 products each. Voila, see, it looks beautiful. Now this is fixed. Now the magic that I said, for example, let's take this. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is 10. Let me take something else which is probably 4 and 5. No, not this. So what I'm going to do right now is, let's say I want to convert this into 2 column. So I go back to this one, accessories, click on edit block. I go here, put the columns here, which is COLUMNS columns equals 2. I need it in 2 columns. So save. Right now we have it in 4 columns here. So we have this in 4 columns. So I'm going to change this to 2 columns. So this is just a sample that I'm showing you. It's not necessary that you have to have 2 columns, but just wanted to show you how things will work out with few simple tricks. Okay, here you go. You see this? It's 2 columns. So it's looking ugly though, so I'm going to change it back. But I just wanted to show you that you can do this. Okay, so I go back, click on edit. I'm going to make it 4 columns, save, update. Okay, and let's go back, click on refresh. Here you go. So it's 4 columns again now. All right. So I believe the issue for which you where you reported is fixed. So in case you have any questions on this, please do let me know. Okay. Thank you.